Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to 12 days of Liller-Ween. On today's video, I don't have a project to share with you guys, but there's still a giveaway, so definitely get excited. Giveaways are still going on. On this video, the prize will be some Halloween goodies. As you guys know, I had made this cute little coffee sleeve tag flip, and that is going to be part of today's giveaway prize. So you're going to be winning this little tag flip. You're also going to be winning this cute little embellishment that I made. It's an SVG file, cute little pocket. This little card lifts up, has a little spider, and I used the Hey Pumpkin to create it. It has cute stitching. If you follow me, you guys know that I showed a video on this. You will also be winning some cute little Halloween kite embellishments. And then you will also be winning these cute little circle embellishments and their little shakers. So that is going to be the prize for today's giveaway. I will be back tomorrow with a crafty video. I just need a little break and I hope you guys understand. But don't forget to leave a comment down below saying enter me to have a chance to win these Halloween goodies. And I will be back tomorrow with another crafty video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.